last thing before we go, something we'll make use of in the future. Inside this if statement here that gets executed if they log in, we're going to, if the account's closed, we're just going to reopen it, okay? So it's just like 3 lines of code. User closed query equals MySQLi query con, the connection variable, inside double quotes, select all, remember the star, from users where email equals single quotes email, no capitals, email, and user underscore closed is equal to no variable in there, it was just yes. Let me just check, I did actually call the column user closed. User closed, there it is right there, yeah, user closed. It should all be no, but if it's closed, if user is closed, it'll be yes. I'll just set my account to be closed just so we can test that in a minute. Yes, so my account is now closed. Let me go back. Okay, and we're going to say if MySQLi num rows brackets user closed query equals 1. So if it found a result, reopen account equals MySQLi underscore query brackets con double quotes select, nope, not select, update users, the user table, set user underscore closed equals single quotes no inside there, where email lowercase email is equal to $email, the email they entered up there. This is saying find the result where email is equal to the email they entered and user closed is equal to yes. If it finds one, so that it returns one result, then update it and set user closed back to no. Because if the user's closed, to reopen their account, they can just log in again. Just like if you ever closed your account on Facebook or Twitter, simply logging in again will reopen your account. And I need to change this to lowercase, and it should be fine now. Now, if I try and log into my account, remember I just closed it, password, it should change it back to no. At the moment it's yes, it should change it back to no. I log in. Now if I refresh this, why didn't that work? Oh, I know what it was. I remember I have 2 accounts for my name. So one of them, it looked for the one with this email address and it wasn't set to close. So I'll just change that one. I just set the wrong one to no. I'll change that one back. No. And then I'll go back and do that again. This will work now. I guarantee it. And there we go. Let's check. And refresh. And there we go. User close is now set to no. Our login form is working. Good job, guys.